Actually, nice. Again, then I've got most curious nothing left, like one in the corner. That's part of the game where you can make cute, cool, any type of characters. It has all like 20 million downloads, or 1,000. I don't know when it was released. See the music videos and anything. They're really cringe to me. Seeing that little face that's like describing it, like really, I don't really like it. It's fun. The lips, so terribly. And they make the characters look really, really, really ugly, which is the thing I hate. Also, we don't need to do your dares, so leave them dares in the comments below, and I'll do them. Moving on, the hated child. No, on this big massive picture in the corner. No, Mom, no. Just give birth. You don't know. How can you tell? God, these people are dumb. This doctor's like, they're roasted. And then this picture in the corner, it's like, I've seen this video. It's really, really bad / good. And that's all. Hit that button, click the notification bell, and subscribe. Okay, bye peoples, bye.